Smart infrastructure, smart utilities, smart technology and smart communication are the building blocks of tomorrow. The future is smart and the future is here. The year is 2019 and you are witnessing a future-ready, sustainable and smart city where culture meets convenience, where ease of doing business is a way of life and where industries can set up and flourish in a short time span. A melting pot of history and culture, this is a city with planned open spaces, clean air, smart governance and the perfect environment to raise a family. Welcome to India's first greenfield smart industrial city, Dholera. Building the city from the ground up, the vision has been to have a plug-and-play format. So all the land parcels are fully ICT enabled and completely built-up infrastructure is offered right at the plot level. This is truly a first-of-its-kind offering in India. A variety of non-polluting industries can be accommodated with heavy engineering, auto and auto ancillaries, defense and MRO benefiting the most because of the availability of large land parcels, smart infrastructure and skilled labor. This forms the platform for industries to invest and operate in Dholera without having to worry about developing the surroundings. World-class, smart and sustainable infrastructure facilities set Dholera apart. Dholera's planning includes safe and well-controlled roads with multi-purpose corridors, bicycle tracks, wide footpaths, service roads and tree cover. Dholera's road plan includes shaded pedestrian-friendly walkways for comfort and safety through constant monitoring by CCTV cameras. For the first time in India, all trunk infrastructure like gas, ICT, power, potable water, recycled water, sewer pipes and storm water are pre-installed underground with the capability of handling growing demands of the city. Water is the lifeline for any city to flourish and a strong water source is essential for industries to thrive. Dholera's primary water source is the Narmada River through the Saurashtra Branch Canal, which ensures reliable and safe water 24/7 after treatment. Dholera has an inherent ability to manage and recycle waste. Water recycling through a smart wastewater system allows for 100% recyclability of domestic and industrial wastewater up to tertiary standards, and the smart stormwater management system saves, harvests and treats stormwater runoff, which ensures sustainability and creates a city water body to enhance quality of life. An integrated solid waste management facility is planned to handle all types of solid waste, like municipal solid waste, industrial solid waste, e-waste and biomedical waste, and will include waste-to-energy generation facility. A smart city needs to create and utilize smart power. To shape this vision into reality, Dholera will implement smart metering and monitoring to minimize losses and ensure a reliable power supply. Earning the smart tag, Dholera will focus on various forms of renewable energy by utilizing resources like solar and other sustainable modes. The role of information and communication technology is to build a smart, socially and technologically attractive, sustainable, world-class city, which will be one of the engines for the economic growth of the region. Dholera SIR is expected to be a city that will use information and communications technology as an underlying enabler in all spheres of the city and will integrate multiple essential disciplines such as governance, healthcare, safety and security, education, transportation, industrial growth, utilities and economy, with city dashboards enabling monitoring of all the city parameters. Dholera, a smart city like no other, offering never-seen-before ease of doing business with large plot sizes, plug-and-play infrastructure, the right environment for R&D and excellent growth potential. Dholera, a sustainable city worth living in, offering easy access to open spaces, greenery and community amenities alongside a safe, convenient and pollution-free environment with easy access to public transport. Dholera, a smart city, a smart investment.